pili ni Beatrice Muthoni ambaye amechukuliwa unopposed. Then kiti ya first vice chairman general, mshindi ni Wycliffe Nyamwata ambaye ameingia unopposed. I wish now to call upon the Labour Commissioner, Madam Ellen Apio, to announce the winners of the seat for Treasurer, Secretary General, and Chairman General. Karibu.
Thank you very much, Mr. Nyaga, for taking us through the nominations as well as announcing the successful candidates in this election. And those standing in front of you are the Court office bearers according to rule number 10, and which some of the office bearers Mr. Nyaga has already announced. Kindly give them a clap. It is not easy to find yourself in this position. It calls for hard work, it calls for collective effort, and it calls for commitment. Commitment to work for and on behalf of others of Kenya. For you to be elected by the membership is truly an honor. Now, having said that, I want to announce or declare those who have been successful, the principal office, actually the leadership, the top leadership of KOTU who have been elected. And I must say, I'm truly impressed. Mr. Chairman, I said you're my witness. You're my witness so that even if I'm called to Parliament, you will say you saw what I did. Sure. I followed the law, I followed the Constitution. Allow me to say, this is history in the making. Delegates from the international and regional offices or workers. This is history in the making. We have unopposed, yet democratically elected. I wish other associations, civil societies would follow what I am seeing in court today. Without any contest and without any hitch, I want to announce and declare the duly elected candidate to be the Treasurer General of the Central Organization of Trade Unions in Kenya, who was unopposed, and this is Brother Albert Njeru. This is the person you entrust with all your funds. All your funds, a very important person, and thank you for electing Brother Albert Njeru. Next, I want to proceed to announce a very important office and to declare who has been duly elected to the office of the Chairman General of KOTU. Chairman General of KOTU, the one who presides all matters, all important matters, all sensitive matters that affect or concern or interest the Union. And in this election, 2026, the duly elected Chairman General of the Central Organization of Trade Unions is Reverend Joel K. Chebi Odidaka. Yes. Thank you very much for electing Reverend Joel K. Chebi. And now, as I close, I believe we've announced all except one. And this is like an earthquake. This is like a tsunami. This is like a tsunami. for workers. Yeah? He's the one who spearheads all issues that you have. He's the one who speaks and who fights for your rights. Yeah? This is an indomitable, yeah? Indomitable lion, isn't it? Unwalkable. The only one and only, who represents workers in Kenya, represents workers in East Africa, represents workers continentally, represents workers at the governing body of the ILO. This is the one and only Dr. Brother Francis Atwoli.